Hey guys, Arbaaz here, and I want to show you how to speed up your computing. Keyboard shortcuts are clever ways to sift through menus in a short amount of time. These are Windows shortcuts, but there are similar ones for macOS. Just swap Control for the Command key. So Control C will copy highlighted information. So I highlight this sentence and hit Control C, and it's now copied to the clipboard, which is a temporary space on the RAM, I'm pretty sure, where information can be stored. But if you turn off your computer, it'll be erased because it's like volatile. Control V pastes this copied information as many times as you want. So this is the sentence we highlighted, and we can paste it lots of times or once. Control X copies highlighted information to the clipboard and removes the existing information simultaneously. So let's try it for that last sentence. If I hit Control X, it's actually done a Control C and like deleted the original text at the same time. So I've copied the information to clipboard, then um, removed the sentence. But I can still, because it's on the clipboard now, I can still use this new information. I mean, use this existing. Um, Alt Tab cycles through open apps. So if I hold Alt first and then hit Tab, and each time I hit Tab, it will cycle. Um, and when you let go of Alt, then it will open that window. Tab selects the next app release. Okay, yeah. Releasing Alt focuses that window. Control F or Function 3 key or F3 is very useful and allows you to search for text in a document and also works in the browser. I find this is like a really awesome shortcut. So if I hit Control and F, uh, let's see, let's search for, I don't know, choice. And as you can see, choice has appeared 2 times in this chunk of text. It's very cool. And you can press enter to go, like kind of cycle through each entry. If I put my insertion point or the blinking cursor here, um, Control and arrow moves the insertion point one word or line across or up and down a line. So if I do Control and left, I can move one word at a time, and Control right, it moves one word at a time. And if I go up, I can't find it. Oh, it's gone to the top of the paragraph. Why has it done that? Okay, I guess because I pasted these as like chunks. So if I go down, what about from here? What? Okay, whatever then. I'm gonna ignore that. I don't know. Um, Control and backspace deletes the last word or like chunk of characters. So that's Control backspace, and this is good for like quickly just you can hold it and then it will just it will like spam through the whole sentence backwards. Windows Shift S is super useful. It does a screen snip and saves the image to the clipboard. So Windows Shift S, and let's grab, I don't know, something here. And then if I do Control V, because it's stored to the clipboard, and now I've got that perfect like selection that is now put here. On Word, I basically set everything to wrap text square to move it easier. So yeah, Windows Shift S. It's 3 keys. Or you can type in like snipping tool in the Windows search bar. So I just snipped something from the top left. And Windows and arrow key arranges apps on your screen. This is what Windows is pretty much for, right? So, or like known for, I guess. Um, so you can put one here. Oh, it's very complicated. It's just loads of things happening. And then I can put YouTube on the left, and then you can resize Windows. Or I guess if I full screen this, I can put one half at the top, on the bottom. And Chrome seems to allow multiple configurations just by hitting that minimize window. Yeah, sorry guys, there's a lot of jumping around. Okay, on a web browser, good thing I'm here. Uh, I You can use Control R to reload a page. I'm just gonna reload this because I don't want ads to pop up everywhere. So basically, Control R or F5 will But you can't actually see any changes. Okay, but it will reload, so it'll contact the web server and display all the information again if something fails to load or you want to see the latest data. Control T is useful. It opens a new tab. I just hit Control and T at the same time. And then Control W closes the current tab. So if I Control W now, Control W, and even do this, so actually, let's get rid of this. Control W. Control Shift T reopens a closed tab. I think the last closed tab. Okay, so we've got our lorem ipsum again. You can also do go into your history and then try and find it if your browser saves history. And then yeah, so Control Shift T. Oh, I guess that was my previous tab, my GitHub thing. Okay, so Control Tab cycles through open tabs. This is all right. I use the mouse usually, but you can use this as well. And Control Shift Tab will go backwards. Okay, let's see. Alt left or right to go forward or backward on page history. Okay, so let's try here. I can go alt left.
My name is Mike, and this course.
Oh, it's Mike. Where's a good thing? So I can go alt left back to, I guess, new tab, and then this chick Doritos. Let's just go to Doritos and then go forward. Cookies and then YouTube. But actually, oh, I wanted to read more about the Doritos, so I could do alt left. Oh, it opened a new tab. Okay, it didn't work. Let's go to a different website then. So I hit alt left and I went back, and then let's check some images, and then if I do alt left or alt right to go back to the most forward destination, I guess. So those are that ones. Control N opens a new browser window. So separates it from all the rest. There's a new browser window. Control H opens browsing history, so you can do that. Those were my Doritos. Control J will open download history, so you could do that. Okay, on YouTube, you can hit F to toggle full screen. You can hit T to toggle theater mode. You can hit I to toggle mini player. Going through my script, and then hit. So let me full screen, and then hit K to play and pause video.
Of course, I'm going to teach you guys everything you need.
So this is PHP video, and then hit L or J to skip forward or back by 10 seconds.
Awesome, scalable HTML. So you get PHP,
So
and we'll talk to like our web. So
a minute and 6 tabs.
We want to click Windows
and then
web
I
address
go back
and
by 10 seconds.
Of course, you have this.
You can hit M to mute the video. So now I cannot hear anyone. And then you can hit C if you want for videos that have closed captions available. So and also you can actually change the language. English. You can also translate sometimes. And this is useful if like I guess there's loads of noise around you and you still want to see what they're saying or what is being described. Use number keys to skip through the video. So that's number 2, 3, and that's 3/10 of the video. 4, 5. This is halfway. 6, 7, 8, 9. And you can. Oh yeah, this is useful on Google and YouTube. Oh no. Okay. You can. Let's say I clicked on thing. Oh no, that's not a good example. Anyways, I'm not on the search bar, right? But I want to go to the search bar, so I hit slash, and you can like start typing. Oh no, what is that? I don't even know why I pressed enter. Food, and then I click off the search bar. Like, I'm so far down the page, but I want to type in cheese sandwich, so I hit slash, and then I just start typing. Oh no, not cheese dash. And then I can go alt left back to food. And I can just say okay. Um, okay, so I gathered, mm, I gathered some of these shortcuts from a Laptop Mag article. Actually, let's see. Yeah, from Laptop Mag article that's linked in the description. Then there are many more shortcuts, but I use these ones frequently. They're quite helpful and useful. Try and find out. Yeah, here's a challenge. Try and find out what Control Shift V does, or what Windows plus M does. Um, and anyways, uh, I hope this was useful for you guys, and thanks for watching.